Happy Halloween, babes. Can you wave and say hi to the grandparents? Emma. Excuse me, Pumpkinhead. I'm looking at you, boo-boo. Do you want to do a pumpkin dance for me? Oh, you making music? Here's your shaker. Oh, here's a real pumpkin. You gonna cut it? Nice. Okay, say Happy Halloween. Emma. Happy Halloween. Good. You're carving. Wow. You're scaring me a little bit with the knives. Bye.